Hi everyone! Today, let's talk about the urequests library in MicroPython. It is a lightweight HTTP request library. Enable his device to easily connect to the internet. In the last video, we introduced how to implement concurrency mechanisms on the ESP32. In this video, we will introduce how to access the network using MicroPython. urequests is the HTTP client library for MicroPython. It supports common HTTP methods such as get and post. Although the functionality is simple, it is sufficient to meet most requirements in embedded development. Imagine that, implementing data uploads and weather queries on your development board. Shenzhen remote control device. urequests can lend you a helping hand. Using urequests in MicroPython is very straightforward. First, ensure that you have installed the MicroPython firmware and connected to the network. Then, import the urequests library in your code, like this. And there you have it. An HTTP GET request is completed. Do you need to send a post request? Just type this on another computer in the local area network LAN. We can see the request sent by the ESP32. Isn't it easy? In actual use, remember to call close after using the response to prevent memory leaks. You have already understood the basic functions of urequests. It can develop various IAP projects with urequests. If you want to get weather data, driver display shows weather information, or upload sensor data to the server, remote monitoring, etc.